Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for life science. First, let's talk about setting up an effective study plan. It's crucial to create a structured schedule, dedicating specific times each week to life science. This consistency helps build a strong foundation. Remember to actively engage with your study material. Don't just passively read. Try summarizing chapters in your own words or asking yourself questions as you go. Flashcards are also excellent for mastering new vocabulary and complex concepts. Next, focus on truly understanding the core concepts, not just memorizing facts. Life science often involves intricate processes, so drawing diagrams and flowcharts can be incredibly helpful for visualization. Try explaining difficult topics aloud to a friend or even to yourself. This active recall strengthens your memory. Also, regularly review any past quizzes or tests you've taken. This practice helps you pinpoint areas where you need more work and reinforces what you've already learned. Now, let's move on to practice and application, which are vital for success in life science. Make sure to complete all the assigned questions and exercises from your textbook. These are designed to reinforce your learning. Don't stop there. Seek out additional practice problems from other resources, like online quizzes or workbooks. Studying with a group of 2 or 3 peers can also be incredibly beneficial. Discussing challenging topics together often clarifies misunderstandings and offers new perspectives. Finally, let's talk about effective review and exam preparation. As exams approach, consolidate all your notes into concise summaries. This process helps you review a large amount of information efficiently. Practice taking timed mock exams to simulate the actual test environment. This improves your time management skills and reduces anxiety. Remember, your physical well-being is just as important as your mental preparation. Aim for at least 8 hours of sleep and maintain a healthy diet to keep your mind sharp.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.